In this video, we're going to turn this super basic maintenance page into this using AI, no plugins, just some code that we copy and paste, and it's totally free. Let's get it. If you watched the previous video, you learned that this .maintenance file exists only to show that super plain basic maintenance page. We're going to create custom pages using a different file. So we're going to add a new file. We're going to call it maintenance.php. And how this works is when WordPress updates plugins or themes on your site, it creates this .maintenance file, which puts your site into maintenance mode and has that boring message on the screen. When this file is created, WordPress then checks for the existence of the maintenance.php file. If this file does not exist, it does the boring message that we all saw. And if this file is created, it shows this page. And you can put whatever you want in here. We're going to use Google Gemini to create something awesome. And the prompts don't have to be anything crazy. I'll put it in the description down below if you want me to, but really it's just plain English. Can you create a basic maintenance page for WordPress that I can put into the maintenance.php file? I want something brandable and nice to look at instead of the boring default page with plain text. Hit enter. Let's see what happens. Creating some PHP for us. It shows here it's going to throw a 503 to Google. This is not great for SEO. We'll come back to that in a minute. First, let's just copy this. Let's open this up and paste this right in there. And by the way, I'm using Siteground. I've used Siteground for almost 10 years, 8 years, 10 years, a long time. And I'm super happy with them. I'll drop a link to them in the description down below if you want to check them out. Highly recommended. Okay, that page is created. Now we can put our site into maintenance mode if we want, but then your site is in maintenance mode. Better is to just navigate to this file. So let's just go /maintenance.php, and this is how it loads. It's asking for our logo right here, showing a broken image link because it doesn't have our logo. This is where you put the logo link right there, or the URL to the logo. And it's got this nice animation right here showing it's working. And it's already much better than the original, in my humble opinion. And you might be wondering, why is my site not in maintenance mode when we saw the .maintenance file? It's because I took out the important stuff from the .maintenance file. After upgrading, there is usually a timestamp number in here, which is within 10 minutes of when this file was created. Usually times out in 10 minutes, but not always. Anyway, I took that out, saved it, and then the site won't go into maintenance mode. I could just as easily delete this file, but I wanted it to be here to explain the context. So now our maintenance.php file looks like this, and that's pretty good. Let's see if we can make it better. Let's go back to Gemini. I'm going to ask it to have a 200 OK message here instead of a 503, which is better for SEO. And I'm going to ask it to make something even cooler, more brandable, maybe some social links and stuff like that. Here's the next prompt. I'll paste this in the description down below as well. I say that maintenance page looks great, thanks. I like to thank the AI, so when it becomes our overlord, it remembers that I was always nice to it. Can we make one that uses glass morphism style with a multicolored gradient background, with the gradients moving subtly using CSS? The important information should be in a nicely styled box in the middle of the screen, and it needs to have a maintenance message, links to social media, a street address for my business, and my email address. Please make sure that the page sends Google a 200 error rather than a 503. Let's see what this spits out. Here it shows a 200. May impact SEO if you use this long term, but it's better. The 200 means the page is okay. A 503 means come back later, this page isn't ready. So 200 starts the indexing, and if a page is indexed already, it's not going to ruin your SEO. A 503 might. But you don't want this long term because you don't. And maintenance pages usually aren't long term. So that's good news. Let's copy this because it's all done. And let's open this file again. Paste it in here. Save it. Refresh this page. And there's our new maintenance page. That's way cooler. Maybe talk to Gemini and have a spot for your logo up there, or you can just put it in. If you know a little bit of HTML, you can easily add an image tag right here and put your image in there. No big deal. Or you can look it up, or just ask Gemini to do it. And if you want to update your address, you just type it in right here, type in your email right here and right there. Replace these links with your social links, Or you can also just give this information to Gemini. You can tell this is my address, this is my email, these are my social links. Please update this piece of code with that information. Then it's just copy and paste. But this looks way better than the default page that you see down below here. And let's just see if this is responsive. I didn't ask it to make it responsive, but I think it is. Yeah, so it'll work on mobile phones and desktop. Super slick. Just using AI, copying, pasting it into the correct file on your server. Now, whenever maintenance mode is applied on your site, this page will show up. And there you go, for free, no plugins, just a bit of code that you copy and paste. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now where I show you how to do this in Elementor. Because if you're building your sites entirely in Elementor, you might not want to have a separate file like this. That's not Elementor. So I'm going to show you how to do it in Elementor in that video, and I'll see you there.